malapit na ang licensure examination for teachers, mag-review muna tayo ng Gen Ed Math. For today, it's all about ratio. Tingnan natin yung problem natin. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7. How many degrees greater is the largest angle than the smallest angle? Usually, nakikita natin ratio is dalawa lang na number, di ba? Pinagko-compare natin yung dalawang number like 1:2, 2:3. Pero pag dito nakakita tayo ng tatlong number, tawag natin dyan ay partitive proportion. Kapag ganito yung nakita natin sa problem, ang gagamitin lang natin ay ADM. Pa yung ADM. Natin doon sa problem natin. Lagi naman kapag sa triangle, the sum of all angles na isang triangle is always 180 degrees. Papasok yung ADM natin. ADM. So, ibig sabihin ng A, add, we just have to add yung tatlong ratio natin. So, meron tayong 5:6:7. Pag pinag-add natin yan, ang total is 18. 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 7 is 18. D, i-divide lang natin. I-divide natin. So, yung total ng measure ng angle ng triangle natin, which is yung 180, i-divide lang natin siya dun sa nakuha natin na total number ng ratio natin, which is 18. So, 180 divided by 18 is 10. I-multiply natin. Yung nakuha natin dito, which is 10, i-multiply natin siya dun sa ating given ratio. So, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 6 is 60, and 10 times 7 is 70. Then sa problem natin is, how many degrees greater is the largest angle than the smallest angle? Makukuha yung difference nilang dalawa. So, i-minus lang natin yung ating largest angle, which is yung 70, dun sa ating smallest angle na 50. So, natin ay 20 degrees.